In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to click on this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Photos, click on any photo you want to add, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to take a photo and send it, use the same icon of the camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Click on those two arrows at the top right corner of this tiny camera section. Choose Photo, take a pic, and it will be automatically attached to your message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!